is very special year. And now, in many different countries, we still need the mask to protect ourselves. And now, I will introduce this machine. Firstly, let's go to see the machine conveyor. This is the machine conveyor, and it is made of the stainless steel. You can see our machine is used the CNC machining, so the stainless steel is very smooth, so it won't damage our hands, it won't hurt us, and also it is very good for the appearance of the machine. And when we put the mask on the machine chair, it will convey the products to the machine for packing. And you can see this is the sample bags, and this machine can pack the N95 mask. Also, it can pack the disposal mask, and also it can pack 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Mostly, some customers need to pack 2 pieces, 5 pieces, or 10 pieces. And here are some samples we packed. And now let's go to see this sensor. It is the sensor for detecting products for the conveyor. If you put the mask on the chair, and it will convey to the machine to pack, and then this detector can detect the products and give the signal to the machines, and it will adjust the product bags and the cutter to suitable the machines, to suitable the packing products, so that it could make the very beautiful and perfect product samples. And next, this is the material supporter. You can see we set our packing field in this part, and if you need the printer for this machine, we will set on this position. But for this machine, because the customers don't need the printer, so we didn't set the printer. And in fact, for the mask and the food products and other products, it is very important for us to use the printer, because when we go to the supermarket to buy some products, maybe first you will see when is the products produced, and when will the products expire date. So I think the printer is very important for the machine. Next, let's go to this part. You can see here is a ruler for the machine, and there is some numbers on it. The max is for 180 millimeters. It means for this machine, it can make the bag size as 180 millimeters. So the packing field is about 300 180 or 400 millimeters, because some customers need to adjust the back side sealing valve for 5 or 10 millimeters. In fact, 10 millimeters is more better because it's very tight for seal the bags. And for this part, you can see there are 2 pieces stainless steel parts, and this is for the bag former. This bag former is adjustable. When you need to change some products for packing, maybe your bag size will be adjusted, and then we need to adjust these parts so that we can pack different products very easily. And next, let's see, this is the shortcut button for the machine. And let's introduce them from left to right. The first one, it is for the cycle stop button. The cycle stop button means if you need to adjust the machine, we have to stop the machine first, and then at this time we need to press this button. And the second button is also green color. It shows start. When you turn on the machine, we need to work the machine, and then we need to press this button we need to press the button to make the machine to working. And next for the red one. For this one, maybe you will see it is a little familiar for this button. This button is for the emergency situation. You can see it on the elevator. Sometimes maybe there's something important, something happened, and then we need to press this to keep safety. And next is for the green button. The green button is very useful for our adjustment. When we adjust the machines, we need to make the machine work one time by one time, and then at this time we need to press this button so that we can control the machine really easily. And next, let's see the machine cutter and the sealer. And in fact, I feel a little hot when I enclose this part, because the sealer is use the temperature to make the bags to seal perfectly. So this part is very dangerous. It's very dangerous. But don't worry, when we send the machines to you, we will stick the mark near to the dangerous parts, because safety is very, very important to everyone. And next is for the touching screen. And it is for the touching screen. When we need to make different back size, we need to adjust in the touching screen. For the back setting speed, accurate speed, eye mark position, product's position. All these parameters can be adjusted in here. And you can see the touching screen is for the English. If you want to change to another language, you can tell us. We can change the language according to your requirement, such as the Korean, the French, the Japanese, etc. And next, it is for the temperature table. You can see there are two colors for the temperature. The green color and the red color must be the same or very close, so that the temperature is the right temperature. And then after seal and cutting, the products will come out from here. And then we can see there is a brush in the end of the machine. This brush is not very expensive product, but it is very useful. It can make the product very smoothly. So the details is very important. And for this, it is some feedback from our customers. It is also for our engineers intelligent about these details. And next, let's go to see how the machine works. And now I will press the second green button, so the machine will work. You can see the trailer can convey the products go to the machine. And this sensor will give the signals to the machine to adjust the position and the cutting and the back. You can see the machine is working very stable because we use the very famous and high quality components for the machine. And this machine is for the 3 servo motors for controller. One is for the conveyor, another is for the fuel pulling, and another one is for the sealing and the cutting. So every function is very stable. You can see this is the bags. Okay, we can see the details of the bags. It is very perfect bags. You can see the cutting and the sealing parts. It is very clean, very clear, and very good in the position.